Hi, I'm Lori Delaney from the Associate Alumni of Douglas College, and I'm here to do a walkthrough of how to join a Zoom event for our Black Alumni Network Jewel Plummer Cobb Sisters Conference on October 29th, 2022, and virtual doors open at 12:45. So you will receive an email that says subject line, Lori Delaney registered you for an AADC Jewel Plummer Cobb Sisters Conference. This email will come from Zoom Events. If you scroll down, you'll see a Join Event button. One important note is that you do have to have a Zoom account in order to join the conference, and you should have registered with the same email that's linked to that Zoom account. So you can go ahead and click Join Event. This will prompt you to sign into Zoom, and once you sign in, it will lead you right into the Jewel Plummer Cobb Sisters Conference lobby, where you will see a live chat. There is a top right menu here, and also we've pinned the first session, the welcomes and featured speaker session, to the lobby, so you will be able to join right here. When the conference starts, this button will turn into a join button, and you can just click that. Also, this screen, once a session starts, it will be live streamed to this screen as well. And so I'm just going to show you some of the menu tabs. The first one is Sessions, where you can view all the sessions in the conference. You'll also be able to join from any of these tabs. So again, this button will turn into a join button, and these will all have join buttons as well once they start. Another thing you can do here is you can mark these bookmarks to create an itinerary. So you can just choose the workshop sessions that you've chosen to attend, and then also the welcome session and the closing and networking session. And then if you go over to itinerary, you'll see that your day is planned out here, and you can also join the session from any of your itinerary tabs. So this again will have a join button, and you'll be able to join from any of these. And you can also go into the speaker sessions, speaker tabs, and you can read about any of the featured speakers. You can read a little bit more about their bios, and you can also join your session from here. So there's a few ways to join your session. You can click back into the lobby, and we also will have our expo floor open on the day of the conference. It's closed right now, but if you click expo, you'll be able to enter a development booth where our development team will be welcoming everyone in the morning. And I just want to also let you know that the lobby is now open. So you are welcome to join now and explore. You can look at the sessions, you can look at the speakers, and just navigate around and make sure that you're comfortable joining so that there's no issues on the day of the conference. I wanted to show you one other way to join in case you don't want to go searching for your email ticket. You can enter events.zoom.us and sign in. And once you sign in, it will bring you to a page which holds all of your tickets for any Zoom event conferences. So you can click on tickets and you can join the lobby here, or you can hit upcoming and join the lobby. And on the day of the conference, you'll see that the conference will be right there to join. So I think that's all for now, and I just want to thank you for being here and being a part of the Jewel Plummer Cobb Sisters Conference, and we look forward to seeing you on Saturday. Thank you so much.